Hi, today I'm for DOOGEE V Max and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Then go to Manage Accounts on this device section, tap to this account and click Remove Account. Then confirm your action by tap to Remove Account, tap to OK. If you use the PIN code or password or just pattern, draw it or enter it. Now in Google account settings, we just successfully log out from Gmail account, so let's go back to the application, to the Gmail app, and here in application we can see also that we just successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.